craft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful crochet braids tutorial. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm so excited to show you guys how I was able to install this crochet braids twist tutorial. This crochet braids came pre-twisted and it's from Leonri company. I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with this crochet braids in the description box below. So the only thing I have to do is just to do my braiding pattern and then install this crochet braids. And you guys know I absolutely love short crochet braids like this. It's so light. I have about 5-6 packs on my head, and you know that you can style it anyhow you want it. This crochet braid is absolutely versatile. I am really loving it, and I'm just gonna stop blabbing and just gonna get into the video. Hi guys, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So the braids came from Leonri hair company, and this is what the crochet braids looks like. In a pack you have 12 strands of crochet braids. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my braiding patterns.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't.
So now I'm done with my braiding pattern. I'm gonna go ahead and crochet the braids to my hair.
I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no.
So now I'm done with the crochet. I'm gonna apply my cancel edge control on my edges, and then I'm gonna brush it down to lay it down. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf for like 5-10 minutes and leave it to dry. And afterwards, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the scarf and I'm gonna style it in different ways. Like you guys can see, this crochet braid is absolutely beautiful. I'm totally in love with it. And that's what it's gonna be for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel. And also please share this video with your friends and I'll see you guys soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.